friends, today we are going to make the snowflakes from paper. This is 3D paper snowflakes for Christmas decoration. For this we need a square papers. So prepare 6 pieces of square paper of equal size. You take any color. First take one paper, fold into triangular shape. Now again fold into smaller triangular shape. Press gently while working with papers. This is smaller triangle. Now make cut. Now make cut from the closed side. This one smaller side of the triangular. You make cut from the closed side. You make 3 equal size slits. Now open the paper. Be careful. Now take one stick and overlap the innermost flap and apply little glue. And glue the second flip. Wait till the glue place on the paper. Now flap the paper opposite side. Now take one flap, apply little glue and the other side of the flap glue gently. Wait till the glue is placed on the paper, otherwise it will come out. Now turn once again, apply little glue the same manner. Glue it again. Now wait till the glue is placed on the paper. Now turn once again, and this is for the last time. The similar way you apply little glue on the one flap and glue the fourth pair of flap together. Wait till it gets glued perfectly. Now see, this is the one arm of our snowflakes is ready. Similarly, you make the other 5. Transform all these 5 papers into this. We have prepared all the 6 arms. Of the snowflakes. Now we are going to assemble 2 arms together. Stick from upside and the middle parts. Apply little glue on the tip and the midsection. Glue together 2 arms of the snowflakes. Wait till the 2 get gluing perfectly. Likewise, all the 6 arms glue together. Press few seconds on these points to glue these 2 parts. If you press few seconds, it will glue perfectly. It will take little time to dry. Now the last arm of the snowflakes glue with the first arm of the snowflakes. See, it's taking little time to glue together. Don't make hurry, otherwise allow to glue. Press few seconds to glue it perfectly. See, our snowflakes is ready. This is a good idea for Christmas decoration. If you like it, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.